Hi, this is Sajan Robbins. Very happy to meet you for another PE session. Today's topic is easy exercise to increase child's height. While it's completely fine to be of any height, short, medium or tall, we want our kids to have a good height, and it's about their overall confidence and personality. While genetics do play an important factor determining a person's height, the truth is there are many physical factors it will influence a person's height. Genetics does determine 60 to 80% of a person's height, and remaining 20% it will be like your diet and other exercises. Here are some effective exercises that will help your kids to achieve the maximum height. First one is swimming. Swimming improves the flexibility and stimulates the cell in our body. Swimming helps in stimulating every muscles in our body, which helps in increasing height naturally. Second one, hanging exercises. Hanging exercise is one of the best way to increase our height. It helps in increasing the endurance of your arms and stimulates your upper body muscles. This also helps in toning and shaping the body. Toning and shaping of the body can help increasing height. Third one, toe touching exercises. Toe touching is an easy exercise. It will stimulate the muscles in your back and calves and give a nice massage on your thigh muscles. Kids can perform this exercise in early age to increase their height. Another one is yoga. Yoga is another best form of stretching exercise. It will increase the height of the kids. Lifting your body and bending your body as much as your body permits to enhance the growing capabilities of your body cells. This will help increasing height of your body. Skipping rope. Skipping rope is a fun activity that everyone will enjoy. The activity will help in increasing the height. Jumping triggers the cells of your body from head to toe and make them active for the streamlined growth of your body. So these are the exercises that will increase the height of your kids. In workout today I'm going to show you few exercises for increasing the height. A common height myth is that certain exercise or stretching techniques can make you grow taller. Many people claim that activities like hanging, climbing and swimming can increase your height. Unfortunately, there is no good evidence to support these claims. But exercise can help stretch and elongate the bands of cartilage and tendons around the arms and legs. This creates room allowing for better bone growth. Both aerobic and resistant exercise result in significant acute increase in growth hormone secretion. First one is hanging. Jumping jacks. Toe touches. Heel raises. Skipping or jump rope. Today we are going to do Bhujangasana, one of the best asanas for increasing the height for younger children. Lie on your stomach. Place your palm under your shoulder. Inhale, lift your chest. This asana stretches the muscles on your lower back, upper back and stomach. It also one of the best yoga asana to increase your height. Maintain this posture. Slowly bring your chest down and relax.